Hello everyone, this is Priyasha from Crackzat and welcome to News Decoded, where we'll be learning something really interesting about strategy business with respect to today's biggest headline. Imagine this: the biggest football organization in the world, FIFA, wanted to make a huge business decision. Everything looked ready, the money was ready, the investors were interested, but suddenly the entire plan was dropped out. Why? Not because FIFA changed its mind, because someone else had more power. Crazy, right? Now, here's the twist: this isn't just football news, it's one of the most important MBA frameworks you will be learning. So, today we are decoding this through the Michael Porter's five forces, and you need to be really interested in this concept because this concept appears everywhere, from business schools to consulting interviews to real companies. So let's decode it. So here's what happened. Reports suggested that FIFA was exploring ways to monetize the part of the World Cup through private equity investment. Sounds like a financial move, a smart one, right? More investment, more capital, more growth. But then the UEFA and the several other European stakeholders weren't comfortable with the proposal, and eventually FIFA had to step back. Now, the question is, if FIFA owns the World Cup, why couldn't it simply do what it wanted? That's where today's MBA lesson begins. So, Michael Porter's forces, let's know about that first. In this, we know that Michael Porter introduced something called as Porter's five forces. One of those forces is called as the bargaining power of the suppliers. Now, forget the textbook definition. Let's understand it like a normal person. Imagine you're opening the best restaurant in Mumbai, beautiful interiors, amazing marketing, prime location, but only one company supplies the ingredient of your signature dish. Tomorrow, if they refuse to sell it to you, the game is over. You still own the restaurant, but they control something you cannot replace, and that's called as supplier power. And now replace the restaurant with FIFA and replace the ingredient with the football players. Now answer these questions for me. Who controls the biggest players? European clubs. Who manages those clubs? UEFA. So without the players, there is no World Cup, and suddenly you realize FIFA owns the tournament, but it doesn't own the product. Big difference, right? And this is what you will see in many businesses also. Many businesses make this mistake that they think, I own the brand, I own the customers, I own the platform. Cool, right? But do you own the people or the companies that make your business possible? Good question, right? If you observe carefully, you would see that Apple depends on the chip manufacturers. Netflix depends on the creators. Zomato depends on the restaurants. Uber depends on the drivers. And even YouTube. YouTube also depends on the creators. Platform power is never absolute. If your supplier are powerful enough, then every strategic decision becomes a negotiation. बॉस, यही तो असली गेम है. Power isn't about who owns the company, it's about who controls what cannot be replaced. And that's why we are here. If this comes in your GDPI or interview, don't just explain football. Say something like this. This is a classic example of Potter's bargaining power of suppliers. FIFA owns the platform, but the UEFA and the European clubs control access to the elite talent. Since suppliers are highly concentrated and difficult to replace, FIFA had to build consensus before changing its monetizing strategy. And that's the reason why it backed off. Ask them one question. If they are the most powerful, why did they have to change the plan? Now that's strategy, that's business thinking, and that's exactly what we are decoding every single day. So if you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who loves football, business, current affairs, or simply enjoys understanding the world a little better. I am Priyasha, and this is News Decoded, one headline, one business lesson every day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Till then, take care of yourself and happy learning.